If you're experiencing issues with downloading apps from the App Store on your iPhone, you're not alone. Below are the 5 best solutions to help you resolve this problem. Check Apple's system status. Why? Sometimes, the App Store itself may be experiencing outages or maintenance, preventing downloads. How? Visit Apple's system status page. Look for the App Store icon and ensure it shows a green indicator. If it's red or yellow, Apple might be experiencing issues, and you'll need to wait until they're resolved. Ensure a stable internet connection. Why? A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt app downloads. Test connection. Open a web browser and navigate to a website to confirm your internet is working properly. Restart your iPhone. Why? Restarting can resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting the App Store. Sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. Why? Authentication issues with your Apple ID can prevent app downloads. Update iOS to the latest version. Why? Running an outdated version of iOS can cause compatibility issues with the App Store. Additional tips. Check available storage. Ensure your iPhone has enough free space for new apps. Go to Settings at General iPhone Storage to manage your storage. Reset network settings. If you're still having issues, go to Settings at General Reset network settings. Note that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. Contact Apple Support. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to Apple Support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues related to the App Store not downloading apps on your iPhone.